What's up, everyone? So today we are going to a drift event. We're going out to Montreal in the SR20 car, and we're doing JDM Fest with the team. So obviously my team, if you're following on Instagram, Drift Team Wink. We just came back from final bout a couple months ago, which was awesome. I didn't make a video because it was so hectic and last minute, but you know, I have the sticker, so there's proof that I actually did go. But yeah, we're doing like I said, JDM Fest out in Montreal. It's about a 6-hour drive from Toronto, so I just got the car and trailer and the truck all loaded up. So yeah, let's hit the road, get over there, and I'll keep recording once we're at the track. So we made it out, JDM Fest. There's your proof. No issues so far, you know. We thought I had a little fuel leak, but ended up being nothing. And the pit's all set up here. I got a lot of cars out. Yeah, hopefully we get to the drivers meeting soon here, and then we'll get out on track and see what it's like. I have no idea what the layout is. I've never been here and I've never seen any videos, so it's gonna be pretty interesting, and hopefully we can take home some trophies. first session. Pretty hot outside. The boys are melting. The tire wear is not ideal. That was 2 laps, and I think I went through half my tire, and they're brand new Valinos, so that's not gonna be good for the rest of the day, but we'll see if I can manage tire wear and maybe just do 1 lap in the practice session instead of 2, and see how it goes. A lot of shifting in that first lap. I'm gonna try to shift less, maybe keep it in 3rd. Second's on the limiter quite a bit, so yeah, as you can see, super hot outside. I got the ice on my head, but gonna relax for a bit and then go back out for another lap. That's great. How do you turn it? Pretty solid second run. Still not pushing too hard. We're getting used to the track, and the gearing's super weird. Gotta like stay between 2nd and 3rd somehow. But yeah, we're gonna probably sit out the rest of the solo lap sessions or the practice sessions and wait for the group practice to start. I'll probably just cook a little bit of food here on the barbecue. And then we'll get back out there for that group practice session and start getting a little bit closer, start practicing for the final tandem competition. Ready to go for our first team practice. Got a cool photo from someone. Check out his Instagram. fish this bumper out of there. Great success.
Very nice. Very no fun.
Yeah, start it up and go.
So on the last clip, that was actually our qualifying run. Grayson in the S13, his LS actually has some piston ring issues, so he wasn't able to run that last run, and they were going to give us a 0. So we got Mike from Design Shop React to hop in, and we did a pretty good run there. We were sitting on limiter almost the entire run, as you saw in the clip. So hopefully that's enough to qualify into whatever the next round is or next stage. I'm not really sure, so yeah, we'll see if we get in, and then we'll keep going from there. So it looks like we qualified. We got 14th. We're against the reigning champions, the guys that won last year. So we'll see how this goes. We're gonna go out and do a parade lap right now for the crowd and head into competition. Unfortunately, that last run, if you didn't see what happened, my handbrake essentially stopped working. Something broke. I gotta figure out what exactly broke, but no handbrake pressure. Straightened out, and I didn't realize my handbrake broke. I tried to reinitiate into the last corner, and that's when I realized I had zero handbrake. So fortunately, handbrake took me out of the comp. Again, big thanks to Mike for joining the team temporarily just to do that run. Luckily, both our cars are pretty undamaged from the little bump. But yeah, just another thing to fix, I guess. All right, that's a wrap for this one. There's the state of the car. It's pretty smashed up, but it runs, it works. Fixed the e-brake cable, and now we're gonna pack up, probably head out. Storm's brewing behind us, so event's gonna get rained out tomorrow, and I don't think we're gonna stick around. So gonna load everything up for now and head out. Don't know if I recorded enough, but hopefully it's a good video. So yeah, that's it for this one. See you in the next one.